Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make cooler buttons with cooler effects and neon lights. And I'll teach you how to put neon lights in your buttons, which will make your website look stunning in the darker mode. And trust me guys, doing this project will be a lot of fun. So I want you all to stay till the end. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it right away, my friends. And also go and check out all the videos. If you are a beginner in the web development and you want to boost your HTML and CSS skills, this channel is for you, my friends. Please go and check out, and I'm so sure that it's gonna benefit you a lot. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, also let me tell you about the Nutanix grand coding contest, and this is very interesting. Not only the winners but also chosen participants will also get gifts and prizes. And what are those? Let's see. The total cash plus the gift prize worth 5 lakh rupees will be given for the winner. And also the registration is free. The link is in the description. I'll show you how to register for it. You have to go to this link, you have to put on your details, and you need to submit it. Also, it is beginner friendly. Even if you are a beginner, you are definitely going to get various prizes here. So I would suggest go to this link and check it out. This is a great opportunity to all the beginners, because the random participants are also going to get various prizes. So do participate in this event. And let's see what are the more things we're gonna get. 1,000 chosen participants will get prizes with ranks more than 500. So do give it a shot, my friends, and I'm sure that you're gonna get an amazing experience in this concept and gonna learn much more things from here. So it is a win-win game. So I definitely recommend you to go and check the site and participate for it. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code. So here I have my simple HTML boilerplate ready, and here I will write one class whose name is container, and inside that class I will have one anchor tag, and again inside that anchor tag we will have one read more, have span, inside which we will write read more. And this is our button. We will treat it as a button and style it. Now as usual, we will make margin as 0, padding as 0, box sizing as border box, font family as sans serif. Now we will target our body tag, and we will say that display should be flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height as 100 VH. This will help to put our element in the middle. Now we will target our anchor tag, and we will say that position should be relative, and we will give it some border radius and one color which looks like a contrast to the background. So after that we will give it some padding and margin and text decoration as none to remove that underline. We will give it some font weight as well. Before A colon before, because before A in this side of A, what should happen? we will say this side of the A, what should happen? Supposedly the left side, the content should be nothing, the position should be absolute. Basically we are drawing those lines which we saw in the demo, and we will say that the left should be minus 20 pixels and the top should be 50%, and translate to minus 50%, right? And we will give it some width and height and background color, box shadow as well. Now we will say that whenever somebody will hover on our anchor tag, which means our button, what should happen before? Width should be 60%, height should be 100%. Now you will think that why are we okay, so, and we can understand why we use transition to make it like a smooth animation, but why are we using why are we doing it one by one instead of doing it for all? Now you will understand that just by watching its results. Because of this, how that 3 lines goes like this, right? For that particular reason we are targeting it one by one. Now whatever we have done for the before part, right, copy paste everything, like both the things, right, before also and hover before also, both the things, and paste it again, and instead of before write after, because we have done only for the one side, right? Now we have to do it for other side as well, so that is why we have to copy paste everything. And in here, if you will notice that we have said that do it from the left, right? Now we have to do it from the right side, so wherever you have written left, cut that and write and put right in the after part. Now we will target the span and we will say that position should be relative and Z index should be 100. Now we are done with the hover effects, but the only part is remaining is that neon light, right? How to bring that. You have to very good in the box shadow to bring that bright and radiant thing, so which we are gonna do right now. Doesn't it look great? I mean, it would really look stunning for the dark mode. And if you are planning to make your website both for light and dark mode, or making your website with a dark background, I would highly recommend this to try this in your website. And let me know in the comments what do you think of this video, and if you have any doubt for the future videos, please let me know in the comments. And also if you have any more doubts, please reach out to me. Do not hesitate, and have a great evening. Bye bye.